Hey everybody, it's Anna here, and I am doing something a little bit different. I'm doing an unboxing. I know that you guys, like me, like to track your blood work, and so I've decided to try a new device. This is the Keto Mojo dual blood glucose and blood ketone monitor. So I'm very excited about this. I have scratched out my address so that you can't figure out where I live and come to my house and do murder to me. People like the Keto Mojo. I've heard good things about it. I have wanted to do this. Here, look, it comes in this cute little box right here. Get rid of this trash. This Keto Mojo is supposedly really high rated, and I'm excited to try it. I did score open this little thing, but it comes in this cute little box here. And there we go. Dun, dun, dun. It's got little stuff there on the top. Oh, here we go. Oh, look, it comes with a little carrying case. And the stuff that I'll never read, I'll read this though. Okay, it's got the user manual. That I actually will read that. I have enjoyed my Precision Xtra, but I've heard that the Keto Mojo has the better app and the better tech. And if it has an app, chances are I'm going to use it. So I'm excited to try this out. It was worth the cost to buy this thing. I'm going to have a link here so you can buy it if you want to get one. It is an affiliate link. I signed up for their affiliate program. It comes with the main monitor. Look, that's super cute. And then it looks like we've got the lancing device. What's in here? Actually, let me turn it this way. What is this? I'm gonna need my glasses for this. Glucose control solution. Oh, these are the control solutions probably if you need to recalibrate the device. And then it comes with, looks like 10 strips each of glucose strips and ketone monitoring strips, glucose strips and ketone monitoring strips, the ketone monitoring strips being the more expensive of the two. But it looks like it comes with that as like a starter set. I don't overdo it. Oh, here are the little lancet things. So this is cute. This is nice. Then you have a little bundle. You can keep your little bundle together. I am going to give this thing a try, and maybe you know what I'll do? I'll try to do one of those like screenshotty things of the app itself to see how it works after I test my blood ketones and my blood glucose and kind of see how it goes from there. And it has a little branded Keto Mojo thing, and we'll see what happens. Thank you very much. That was an unboxing video.